Halor ke jing ki seng beper ki badan laki jong ki jing dawa hagi kindiat sengi baladap. Ringkat ke jing pen Kenya ke jing penyap ya ke kendon 144 CRPC Bah Prestone tensong usembut menteri rang ba ke jela Meghalaya uloong. Bada day menuru habban burom ya ki an. Da ka ban biang ba sarkar jela ka pli ka jingkhang ban yakren ya phliu jingmot halor kino ki mat yakren Bah Prestone uloong badon kam ban yakren ban kentiu lang ompat ban siem bakla ya ki kendon an
baro lapi ong mangane mano menuru kaan ke dekaan de ka bang kerpat ikolong ba bang ide ban burom ya kaan bat ba abangi ong kaan kilo enforcing agency kamut ki haple ya ka bede le hakawide pede bat kajing bu appointment jongki menin hakaba I home minister la ilai kendu de nason tunat chibon lai kendu ya kini seng halang ki leaders de nakaliang jongaru la syai kasngi ki bu appointment biak sabat naru de again tomorrow ngadi kendu iki kumbanga ong ipi ba kajing kang jongi ka play apa script haba don kanu ki issue la don kanu ka agenda ka bangi kwa mani kren ngi don hande bangi ni kren ngi slok ngi pelu jumur lang bat bang krimen scan ba kini ki seng halang lu la shay ngi kenu ngi long ka constructive discussion hab deng jongi nak lihat comment bat nak lihat joki ki issue ki ba ngi kren ya kata ngampal la ban ong ki la shay ngi siknu ngi kren sabatna ba la ku nur ku mo pi ngin ya le kat pala ban penting na ba kalau no ada kam de ban bala ban simti manu kan ingin ayat kan menukan kumla
saya lagi ke dawa ka sarkar jela kamla ban penteri kamu buat ikini gimat jing dawa mah jogi seng malang
ya ke
ikini gimat jing dawa te bigi dawa ke LP kun ki ILP hato na leng jongka sarkar kila alit biang nem sa
ya kan ni nama ngandang ikundu asai ngindang ikren dengan nembatai lepang taksni nama ngandang ikundu ikila sai officially it is not at all deteriorating whatever you say that procession they had after the meeting. Well, now again the law will proceed, and you must have seen few arrests also made. Then number two, yesterday, because unfortunately I was not also in station, I went down to my meeting in my constituency, so I came to know only in the evening. I'm sure, as I said to you, leaders of the NGOs, they are also responsible citizens of the state. They are here also to serve the people of the state. So I appeal and I request all concerned, we should abide by the law. We should abide by the rules which is already in place throughout the state.
Halor ke jing kena kaliang persya Bah Prestone tensong uloong badai tangkan ni ke sarkar kabaya keren bat kijing wat la ka syak kena baka jampalat uloong ru bakam judan pat ke jing ja ka pasngusi habaya keren ni kendu ya kinu jing ula kentat ban kentho bakan don ke jing kersan dagi seng san hima halor kini kijing ya ki
in fact, see, I think this is the only government who, in spite of the fact that the challenges we made or we faced right from 2018 till today, it was too much. But you never see any unfortunate incident that has happened. So people thought that we are boneless, we are weak from the government side. But if you ask even the NGOs, they will say this is the only government who's approachable, who's accessible to any issues relating to the interests of the public in the state. For that, I have no comment. As I said, I don't know whether it is politically motivated or not. I think let the people judge. If it is so, people will judge. People will understand. But as of now, I don't have any comment on that question. As I said to you, because personally, I'm taking it that okay, they are also concerned. Governments are concerned. So we will sit down, work out how to proceed further and then to make sure that law and order in the state prevails at any cost.